What is 0.375 as a simple fraction? So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. After decimal, we have 3 digits, so we have written here 3 tens. Now simplify. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor if we want to simplify in one step. But if we want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. 5 is a common factor. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. This is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 0. So if you divide, you will get 2. And if you divide by 5, you will get what? 5 goes into 37, 7, 75. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, you will get 2 and you will get 15. Again, this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5, you will get 3, you will get 2. So basically you are getting 3, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So 0.37 as a simple fraction is this. Actually, this is the simplified fraction.